In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF without Adobe Acrobat. If you need to make quick changes to a PDF and you don't have Adobe Acrobat, Google Drive offers a simple alternative. This method works especially well for text-based PDFs, and it's a convenient option because everything happens right in your browser. Start by going to your Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top left area of the screen and click the New button. This is where you can add files from your computer into Google Drive. After clicking New, choose File Upload. This will open your device's file browser where you can locate the PDF you want to work with. Find the PDF file on your device, then click it to select it. Once it's selected, confirm the upload so the file is added to your Google Drive. When the upload finishes, click on the PDF file in Google Drive to open it. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment to finish processing. Opening the file here lets you preview the PDF before converting it into an editable format. Next, look for the Open with option and choose Google Docs. Google Drive will then convert the PDF into a Google Docs file. This is the key part of the process because PDFs are usually designed more for viewing than editing, while Google Docs gives you a flexible document editor you can actually work in. Once the file opens in Google Docs, you can begin editing the content. You can change text, remove sections, add new information, or adjust formatting as needed. Just keep in mind that the final layout may not always match the original PDF perfectly, especially if the file contains complex formatting, tables, special fonts, or a lot of images. For simple documents, though, this method is usually fast and effective. When you're done making your edits, you can keep the file as a Google Doc if you want to continue working on it later. If you need it back in PDF format, simply download it again once your changes are complete. That way, you get an updated version of the document without needing Adobe Acrobat at all. A quick tip before you finish: it's always a good idea to review the entire document after conversion to make sure the spacing, line breaks, and formatting still look the way you want. Small cleanup edits are sometimes necessary after opening a PDF in Google Docs. And that's it. That's how you can upload a PDF to Google Drive, open it with Google Docs, edit it, and download it again when you're finished.